Snoring is something nobody likes, but people have little or no idea why it happens. In this video, I'm going to tell you 9 verified reasons why we snore. Snoring is a sound that occurs in the back of the nose and throat when air inhaled or exhaled comes into contact with tissues or obstructions in a way that causes vibrations. Number 1. Allergies. Allergies irritate and swell the upper airways and cause congestion, which can lead to snoring. Number 2. Dry air and climates. Now, dry air and climates, or areas where there's a lot of dust or pollution, can lead to you feeling congested. This is because the mucous membrane line the upper airways and nasal passages with mucus to filter out particle matter. These serve as obstructions and can lead to snoring at night. Number 3. Weight gain. As a result of weight gain, tissues and fat deposits around the neck may swell, creating wind resistance in the airways. Number 4. Smoke. Smoke irritates the tissues in the throat, leading to inflammations that can cause snoring. Number 5 is alcohol. Alcohol relaxes the muscles of the upper airways, which can become floppy and make noise as you breathe. Number 6. Medications. Medications can also relax the tone of muscles in the neck and chest regions, making the work of breathing more difficult. Number 7. Aging. Aging itself is a reason to snore. The older our bodies get, the less tone and moisture we hold in our tissues. Number 8. The physiology of the upper airways. The physiology of the upper airways may create a natural environment for snoring. Overlarge organs like the lungs and tonsils may get in the way of breathing, or a soft chin may create the proper conditions for snoring. Number 9. Sleep deprivation. Yes, sleep deprivation can lead to snoring. It has to do with how hard you sleep following a period of sleeplessness. Recovery sleep may lead to excessive snoring due to fatigue and persistent sleep drive. Please tap the subscribe button below to know more explanations.